In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset this 4-digit combo ace lock. This is similar to the other brands as well, such as Master. The first step, you're going to put in your code. In this case, mine is 0000 because it's brand new, and you can see that the lock opens and closes. This is perfect to see, but notice at the end of my index finger there is a small little piece of metal that protrudes from the post. That right there is important to the resetting process. What you'll also see is on either side at 9 o'clock and at 3 o'clock there is a hole in the metal that allows that to go in and out of it. What you need to do is twist it 180 degrees so that that little piece of metal that's protruding can now go into that slot. This is your reset slot. You're then going to press down, and once it's pressed down, you're able to reset whatever code you want it to be. So in this case, let's reset it to something random like 3100. I'll then lift up on the lock and then twist it 180 degrees, and you'll see that it now lifts up and down with my 3100 code. If I change that code to what it just was previously, 000, it is inoperable. It does not work. So that is how you change your code. So now I'm going to put it back to 3100, lift up, and then twist it 180 degrees. And then if I wanted to change that code again, just push down, change the code, and do the same process. I hope this video was able to help you, and also look at that view. It's a pretty place.